How to convert PNG into SVG. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can convert a PNG into SVG image. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. First step is simply search for PNG to SVG converter. After you search for that, there will be a lot of different websites available for it, and a lot of those are good as well. We'll just head over to the Adobe's free online PNG to SVG converter. So tap on that. And after you do that, now if you don't know the difference between PNG and SVG, PNG is for photographs, complex images, while SVG is a vector form of image, which is more convenient and efficient for logos, icons, which will need to be scaled without losing quality. So if that's the case and you want to convert the PNG to SVG, you can simply head over to this website and then drag and drop an image here. So I'll just drag and drop an image. After you drag and drop an image, it will start doing its thing. Now, if it does not work the first time, you can again always drag and drop the image. So let it do its thing. Let it do, it can take some time processing depending on the complexity of your image. So wait for it. And after that, you should be good to go. Then tap on the download button to download the image. And that's it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.